If you want to edit photos on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your Photos app. Now locate a picture which you want to edit. Great. Now let's tap on the sliders icon. This is our edit icon. So to rotate or crop the photo, you have to choose this icon. So here you have a different variation for rotation, changing the perspective. Here's your rotation variance, flip variance. So actually many different cool options. Here you have some filters and you can adjust their warmth as well. Here you have some different sliders such as auto enhance, exposure, brilliance, highlights, shadows, contrast, brightness, black point, saturation, vibrancy, warmth, tint, sharpness, definition, noise reduction, and vignette. So you can adjust everything by dragging the sliders. When you're satisfied, simply press down at the top right corner and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.